Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create a wish list on Amazon. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the three lines at the top, at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply go to the option your list, and after this the page is loading, and after the page is loading you can just simply tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply list name. After select the list name, you can just simply tap on create list, and it is a way you can create a wish list on Amazon. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.